Oke, semua, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, today I will presentation about the about the future project. Yeah, this time I bring my future project, but it's not done, and the name the main problem is the meaning of the machine life equation. Yeah, okay. What is that? Objective complete the presentation of the main system, Windows number life number with the definition, mathematical models, and example calculation, stability analysis, studio code, hardware mapping, metric evaluation, and speaker note. That. And so next, okay, what is a main? Main is a dynamic value that represent the life state of a machine or robot, changing over time based on performance, resource, and events successfully or failure. Again, I found out. Okay. The bottom line may add historical memory to the machine. Now, it's not just a static error, but a story that influence adaptive behavior. Yeah, like that. Okay, so next. Okay, the variable and notation. Good. And this is like what's name like the logical for the operation. This what's name this system. Yeah. So this and may at the time normalized range. Know about it in the now. Whether can be abundant before saturation and success. And this success metric normalized like 1.0. 0.1 and resource utilization normals available or used resource. Okay. And this viral or penalty metric. Yeah, there's a penalty. And there is a decay for getting rate. And is the input weight like for S, R, and F. Yeah, okay. And then to keep get or non-linearity to keep May in the wasn't desired range. Yeah, like that. Okay. So the next, yeah, this so like crucial and so what's name so hard to what's name like to explain. But yeah, I will give an example. Yeah, these mathematic models in their main is a there is the time what's name input success input value input and what's name like input and what's name story he have what's name like he can what if there is a viral the program will be what's name keep that and what's name like what to say uh nyimpan yeah like that data and yeah okay and this like this. Yeah. So let's go. Okay, and biomedical calculation. Example like this. Example, if not use the what's name like the what's name like the one number like one number lah like that. It's use what's name like one 0 point and 0 point 0 point 0 point 0 point 0 point. Use this use that. Okay. This for the input address and the example for parameters. Yeah. So example and solve work. Okay, the improvement to prevent rapid saturation. Use nonlinearity sigma the updated soft saturation effect. FD negative momentum when May is too high and the additive penalty at the term like this, the input if this and adaptive normalization scale SRF based on the rolling mean or power. Yeah, weight limit automatically like reduce this when the average may is greater than the target. Yeah, that is what I hope. Next, seven Visual Code implementation. Yeah, Visual Code may can update himself by himself. Yeah, because May can make a new neuron on this data. Yeah, May will keep the what's name like input, a good input, success input, file input, time, and what's name the he will learn about the what is the meaning this what is the meaning is input and order, and we will combine it and we will make what's name like a new neuron in this program. That and now the function we can be the agentivity when play signal that. So next, mapping to hardware and assembly. In this we can what's name like for implementation and what's name like others we can use the ASP32 and what's name sensor, sensor tag sensor, yeah, like that. The camera and the other for the what's name like two application like for the fun that the what name the program, yeah, that. And the storage is for, yeah, you can use the SD card converters like that. Okay, and this evaluation metric and experiment, okay. Configuring time to reach like 5% of the fixed point. May variance, standard application over window, responsive, how fast the may increase or decrease after as and change. The boostness, affect the of sensor noise, that with the Gaussian noise. Application run without air, yeah, like that. Okay. Okay. And that in this recommendation summary is start with the conversation. Yeah, that is the example. Perform fine calculation like well, episode equation, volume mean like SFF, and then use linear regression and for initial weight estimation. If the match solution quickly increase that or use a segment with a small slope. Okay. The next, demo material. Now, yeah. Show a graph of May versus time, like that. And they compare the amplitude and segment fraction. Show a short SRF input table and uh, and a snapshot of the robot condition with the May spike or five. Round one, the episode show how parameter affect effective behavior. Yeah. So in this, wasn't it appendix assemble of the parametric tuning with the symbol regression. Yeah. If we have a data set like SRF and the target may next from an experiment, we can find the weight using a less surface. Yeah, like this. If the wasn't it like May, if you have the wasn't it the target and the orders, he can make by himself with their what name, with their data and memorize. Yeah, yeah. Okay. The core of the main. Yeah. Okay. And the main system. The main system is a new way to give a machine their or mathematics total life. And where is a conventional system only calculate error or efficient, but make calculation the machine life, the history, and the emotional state in the question mark, of course. Yeah. Yeah. And the main is represented be a value called the machine life number. The value change over time depending on the three main factors. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, maybe it's like S is what the success input success, and R is a resource, and the F is a viral. Yeah, again. How a success task is a performance, and how sparring of usually the machine use, how many error occur. Yeah, like that. And the combination of the three is a calculate using a simple but dynamic formula. Yeah, like that. Meaning meaning is a machine don't forget to pass because the tree as a decay factor, yeah, that. And the machine learn from success resource and virals, yeah, that. And the main value change the continuously to each machine can have a different character, yeah. If it's like what's name, if there is a new what's name, he have in here there is a what's name, the example like there's a two machine, and if the people want to what's name, input some SD card or memories on the machine, the what's name, the output will be uh, not same for the what's name, there is a because why it's not same is because this program is so he make by himself with the story and experience, yeah, like that. Okay, okay. And higher main value means the machine is not a state of the life, it's efficient, stable, and energetic. A lower main is indicate a need for adaptation for or improvement. With May, we are not just building an intelligent machine, but machine that bring like life to experience and time. May is not just a formula; it's the foundation for creating robot that truly has its own identity and life history. Yeah, that. But May is not like human. May is only like what's the name, like he learned with the experience and history and the time and the what's name input. Yeah, like that. But he's not like same with human. Yeah, because he don't have like to say perasaan. Yeah, like that. Okay, and maybe that's all from me. If so, wasn't appreciable and so what like that. Thanks to hear it. Uh, maybe there is a question, guys. For my future project, maybe so appreciable like that. There is no what's name question.
Okay.
What?
Will you marry?
I don't know. Maybe like when and what? There is no the question, guys. Okay, if not there is the question, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I had so many mistakes and so to this program. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.